year, new you, right? I know you've said it, heard it at least once because same. A lot of times New Year's resolutions tend to be maybe you want to drop a couple pounds, eat a little healthier. I'm here to show you you can make healthier swaps so you don't have to give up those favorite things that you love. I've lost over 200 pounds. Let me show you some of my favorite things now that I'm living a little bit of a healthier lifestyle. So a lot of my swaps come from Thrive Market. So do you love cereal? Of course you do. Thrive Market has options of low sugar, high protein cereal. Catalina Crunch is one of them. The Cinnamon Toast tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. They also have Magic Spoon cereal. I just don't have any with me here at the new house. Amazing and tons of different flavors. Check those out. Do you like rice? Okay. Rice isn't like bad for you, but sometimes maybe we're watching our carbohydrates. Totally fine. So Kaizen has low carb rice. This one is the Spanish rice. This is their new rice. You love a good pasta dish? Me too, sis. So Kaizen also has a low carb pasta. The fusilli one's my favorite. They also have ziti and cavatappi. I believe that's how you say it. Love this stuff, okay? It doesn't have that funky dunky texture. You hear it? It's dry, which we love that. How about ramen? You like ramen? I got something for you. Emmy Eats has low carb, high protein ramen, different flavors. The one I picked up was roasted pork. They have them in just like the packages, like you get traditional ramen or like this. These are easy to take to work. If you like any kind of like trail mix, snack mix, Chex Mix, got something for you. So Catalina Crunch makes this high protein crunch mix. They have honey mustard, ranch, cheddar. They also have a traditional and a spicy one. These three are just my favorite. Got to get your protein in when you're on a new lifestyle. I don't care what kind of lifestyle, you got to have protein. Okay. So I love beef sticks, beef jerky. You know that. So I got me some new beef sticks to try. These are the lightly peppered turkey sticks. There's 5. These are huge. 45 calories for one stick. Hold on. We got to check this out. Yes. I'm your taste tester. Yes. You want to try something different for a noodle? They have egg white spaghetti noodles. I cannot wait to try these out. I cannot tell you about the texture because I haven't tried these yet, but I definitely wanted to give these a try. Do you love granola bars? I know you do, but I gotta break some to you. They're not always the healthiest. Sometimes they're just empty calories and got more sugar than you really need. So how about a keto granola bar? I love anything Monk Pack. Do you love Rice Krispie Treats too? All in favor say aye. I know you just said aye. Magic Spoon has high protein cereal bars. These ones are my favorite. These are the marshmallow ones. They have blueberry muffin. It's like a chocolate peanut butter one. And then they have like a chocolate one. Marshmallow, hands down my favorite though. If you love rice, I got more rice for you, okay? Kaizen now has a Mediterranean rice. Also, this again is low carb, high protein, which we love. Apparently, I got another box of low carb, high protein Kaizen pasta. I got the ziti one. This would be perfect to make mac and cheese. I've got something for you. Air cheese. Okay. It reminds me of those, you guys know I love them. Whisk. You guys remember I tell you about the Whisk all the time? Okay. These are like Whisk. So it's air cheese. They have Gouda and then this one is cheddar. Add these to your salad. You're not missing croutons. I love this. And Thrive Market is very, very generous. So a lot of times they will give you a free gift. And this was my free gift this time. It is a Go Macro bar. Thank you, Thrive Market. I think not a chance will you be missing your favorite foods when you have all these healthy swaps, and this is just a scratch of the surface. You are going to be meeting your New Year's resolution in no time. That means next year, you're going to have to make a whole new one.